Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you how to find the arc length of a circle using the arc length formula. Let's get started. How far does the tip of a 10 centimeter long minute hand of a clock move in 12 minutes? So over here on the left, I've created a diagram, and I have the start of the minute hand, and I have the minute hand after it's traveled 12 minutes. And that is going to create an angle that I'm going to label theta. The problem states that the minute hand is 10 centimeters, and we want to find the length of the arc that I just highlighted in pink. So how are we going to do this? So the minute hand will travel around the clock in 60 minutes. However, in this problem, the minute hand only traveled 12 minutes. So I can write a ratio, 12/60ths, which reduces to 1/5. So the minute hand traveled 1/5 the way around the circle. But if you remember, when theta equals 1 revolution, that implies that theta is equal to 2 pi. So I can reword this sentence that I just starred and state the minute hand traveled 1/5 of a revolution, which is 1/5 of 2 pi. So in this problem, theta is equal to 1/5 times 2 pi, which is 2 pi fifths. Now that we have theta and we have a radius, we can now find the length the tip of the minute hand traveled. So S is equal to 10 times 2 pi divided by 5, which is 2 times 2 pi, which is 4 pi. This is an exact answer. If we want an approximate answer, we can go to Decimus to get the approximate answer. So 4 pi, and that would be 12.57. So the tip of the minute hand traveled approximately 12.57 centimeters.